Hi everyone, welcome to my video. In this video I want to show you how you can build a printing business with WordPress and WooCommerce. So in this video I want to show you exactly how you can start your own printing business, and for example with this tutorial here you can afterwards create a WordPress website, or you have a WordPress website and a WooCommerce store, and then you can offer your print products, and your customers, your potential customers can come to your website or your online shop and can customize their items. So for example, you sell t-shirts or mugs or phone covers, then you will put a t-shirt, for example, as a product, and people can put on the t-shirt their own images or their own logos or their own text, and then they can order this and order it from you, and you can fulfill the order. So you need, of course, you need a little bit of machinery, but not that much. For example, you need a heat press to start your business. Maybe you have a heat press already and only searching for the right plugin. So of course you need a heat press, so you can transfer the prints or the vinyl to the t-shirts or to the mugs or to the hats or whatever you want to offer on your online shop, and then a vinyl cutter maybe, and that's it. You need, of course, you need a heat press, and maybe a vinyl cutter is good. And when somebody wants to order a complex graphic or a full color image, or want to place a full color image on the t-shirt or on the head, then you can order this. There are so many companies out there that sell or that do the printing job for you. So this is called the DTF, direct to film. And then you can go to the company website, upload your images, and then they will print it out for you and send it to you. And then your job is to heat transfer the images onto the t-shirts or onto the mugs or onto the hats or jacket or phone covers or whatever you want to sell on your store. So today I want to show you the plugin. I think this is one of the best plugins here you can choose. I use it on a store myself, so this is really great, this plugin. Of course, it's the paid plugin, but it is not that expensive, so it is 29 bucks, and I think it's really good and it's really easy to use. I will link this product, this plugin, in the video description down below, so you can check it out if you want. And this plugin is responsive, so when people come with their phone on your website, and they can create their t-shirts or whatever product, or design the t-shirts or whatever product on the phone or on their iPads or whatever. So yeah, this is what I want to show you today. So this product is really great, this plugin is really great. And let's go to my store here. This is my store, and I want to show you real quick how you can create a product like this. So I uploaded this plugin already. Let me show you this real quick to you. So it's under plugins here, and then I installed it, and simple product designer for WooCommerce. And if you buy this product there, then you get, of course, lifetime updates for this plugin. And let's go back to products here. All products. I already made a test t-shirt for you. This is only a test shop, so that I can show you. A test t-shirt, and when we click on edit, open a new tab. Like I said, you can create every product you like, you want to offer on your store that people can customize. I make a little test description here. I uploaded a product image, and let's do this. Okay, and now you can see if you go a little bit further down, I gave it a price of $10 here. So now you can see this is the smart product designer, and here you can choose the images for the product. So for this example, I will choose an image here. I already uploaded an image. I think this is a t-shirt front. Okay, great. Add this. Wait a little bit. Okay. Let's go down again. So this is edit or add to the collection, and now I want to choose the back side of this t-shirt. I think this is, select and add. You don't have to choose the front and back side. You can, or you can even choose front and back, and also side, left, right side, and yeah. So, and then you can, I've totally forgot about it. Make t-shirt front, and save, saved. Okay, and t-shirt back, just for example, and save. Okay, and here you can give the prices of the items. Let's make the size S, for example, is, I don't know, 10. Add. Wait a little bit. Okay, then make another size here. Size L, for example. Let's make it 20 or 29. That's okay. Then click on add. Okay, great. So okay, then we click on update. Okay, now our product has been updated. Then we can click on view product. Okay, now the product is ready for customization. So, and you can also add pre-made graphics, like pre-made logos, or pre-made clip arts or something like this. So yeah, and also we can now you can see we only have one product color. We can change this as well, I think. Yeah, so if we offer this product, this t-shirt, for example, in different colors, then we can choose a different color. Let's say we want to also offer this t-shirt in blue. Then we can click here and choose a blue color for the t-shirt, and then we can upload a blue t-shirt front and back, for example, and then we can switch between the colors of the product. So here we can we have the option to add a text. So for example, hello world. Perfect. The font size and the font family, you can upload different fonts in the back end. I don't know. Oh no, we can delete this, and then we can, or the customer can move it here and wherever they want. And here we can upload, or the customer can upload an image. This is really great. Choose a file. They can choose a file from their computer. So let me real quick choose an image here. Yeah, for this example, we let's choose. Okay, this is stupid, but yeah, you get the idea. So they can place their own images here, and then they can order this. And here they can choose the sizes, what they want to have. Let's say they want to have one in the size L, and here they can click on preview. They cannot click on preview, but yeah, so you get the idea. So this is really great. You can make everything with this, or everything you can imagine. You can do phone covers and stuff like this. It's really great. And here here they can switch to the back side. They can customize the back side, and yeah, then after they're finished, or they can for the preview, then they can click here, then the product will get rendered. I think. Yeah, and here it is. Now they can see what they have created, and then they can order it. Yeah, from you. And I think this is a really great product. So if you are searching for a customization product for your WooCommerce store, if you want to give the customers the option to customize any product, you can use this plugin here. I think this plugin is really great. It's not that expensive, and you can play around with it. You can upload pre-made graphics. Then the customers can choose the graphics. I will link the product in the description down below, so you can click on it and you can read everything in detail here. But yeah, I want just give you my recommendation if you are searching for this kind of plugin. And yeah, so that's it for the video, and I hope you found this video a little bit informative. And if you like the video, then please give me a thumbs up, and I really would appreciate if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I will upload more and more videos about helpful WordPress plugins and so on. And yeah, so thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for watching my video, and see you in the next video.